guys, welcome to Managing Magic. I'm Sadie.
And I'm TJ.
And today we're bringing to you a Magic Manor Disney on a Dime video.
So with Disney on a Dime, what we're mainly going to be focusing on is budget-friendly shopping for home decor, because I know it can get kind of expensive, especially when shopping for Disney. So our main focus is to bring you some stores that are going to be easy on your wallet, but also great for your creativity.
All right, and the first chain we're going to talk about is going to be Home Goods, Marshalls, and TJ Maxx. All three of these stores are actually owned by the same company, so they're going to have the same products at every single store. I will say, though, that Home Goods is going to emphasize home decor. So they're going to have much more of a selection, but don't think just because these are discount stores that you're getting cheap products or products that are damaged in any way. They're very high quality, but you're not paying the price of a high quality item.
Absolutely. And then the next shop that's actually going to be really great is Ross. Ross, even though, again, it does focus on clothing, which you can find some Disney clothes there, is really great for inspired home decoration pieces. So even though it may not be Disney specific, it's really great to add accent pieces to your decor, or to help perpetuate your Disney theme. It can be anything from a candle holder that looks like Lumiere to a clock that looks like Cogsworth, and anything and everything.
All right, and we also want to talk about the Dollar Tree. Now, we're not saying you can necessarily find Disney home decor here. We want to talk about the Dollar Tree because you're going to be able to find cheap items that you need for our Disney DIYs. So if you can, stock up on some items that are going to be important for a Disney project, which we will try to let you know in advance which items you'll need for those. But never sleep on the Dollar Tree. You can find some actually really beautiful things there and use them in a DIY. So that's why we brought them up in this video.
Absolutely. Ribbons and everything for $1. Like that's insane. Also, what's another really good one that's cheap and great and can help you kind of organize your shopping is Amazon. If Amazon, especially if you have Amazon Prime, you can create lists on Amazon for different items in your house when you search for your Disney decor. You can do everything from a kitchen list to a bedroom to a bathroom and even a dining room. You can find a lot of great deals on it, a lot of really cool art decor, calendars, the whole 9 yards, and it can get to you in 24 to 48 hours. So, I mean, why leave home?
Right. So if you do feel like leaving home, we do want to talk about some craft stores. The first one we want to discuss is going to be Hobby Lobby. And the reason why we want to talk about this one is because, yes, it is going to provide you crafting essentials for our Disney DIYs, but they actually do have Disney home decor. And, you know, if that piece isn't listed on sale, you can use a 40% off coupon and still get 40% off that price. I do want to note, though, their sales tend to change weekly. So if one week that item isn't on sale, I'm willing to bet you in the next week or two it will be on sale. And something else that I actually recently learned, say you and your significant other are out shopping and you are at Hobby Lobby, say you want to purchase 2 items and both of those items are not on sale. Because you're checking out together, you actually get to use 2 40% off coupons. So say maybe it's you, your significant other, and you have a child, and you have 3 items, and none of them are on sale. That means you get to use 3 coupons.
Wow, that's a really great tip.
Right? I had no idea until I actually moved, and the Hobby Lobby near where I live told me about that. But we are going to also talk about Michael's and Joann's Crafts. And Joann's is going to be great for Disney fabric. They have a beautiful selection. And Michael's and Joann's also both have a 40% off coupon if that item is not on sale. So it does give you the opportunity to get stuff you need for our Disney DIYs at a lower price as well.
Oh, most definitely. Another really great store for the online shopper is Etsy. Etsy and eBay will give you a lot of really unique pieces, homemade, specifically catered to you. I myself, I have a Disney home sign that is actually really nice. It was custom painted for me off of Etsy from a really great local shop. And I mean, I love it because you don't find those kind of signs in stores or anywhere else. So be able to have custom pieces in your home can really tie together the theme you're going for. Also with eBay, you can get a lot of really great unique pieces that maybe are a little bit aged but still fit in really great to your theme, and you can clean them, sanitize them, so don't worry about anything like that. And then they get to you fairly quickly too with shipping, and you don't have to go anywhere.
So the other type of shopping we want to talk about is going to be buying secondhand. So it's going to be thrift stores, yard sales, garage sales, antique shops, and estate sales. So I personally love going to these places because a lot of the stuff that I buy that is Disney, it's no longer in production. So I'm buying old classic pieces that I really enjoy. And that way I'm getting something that's also, as it ages, it's going to get more value, I guess you could say, because a lot of Disney pieces you find, the more, the more they age and things like that, and they're kept in beautiful condition, they actually increase in value because then they become collectible figures and things like that. Lenox figurines is a great example of this. Yes. Lenox is a China company, for those of you who don't know. They have a series of cake toppers that are Disney couples, and those figures increase in value as they age because it is fine china. Another thing I look for when I do go to secondhand shops is going to be Jim Shore pieces. I love Jim Shore. I think his pieces are just really well made and they're fun, and they do tend to have a different color palette to them, which I enjoy. So those are things you can find that, like I said, are no longer in production, and you're not paying a lot for them when you buy them secondhand. And the other thing about buying secondhand is it's great for the environment, and thrifting is a fun way to see how you can collect pieces, because usually when something is donated to a thrift shop, you don't have all the pieces. So you find like one or two, and then you do research on it, and you're like, oh my gosh, this is actually a set of 6. Now you get to find the entire set, and I really enjoy that. I think it's so much fun. And again, like I said, these are unique pieces. These aren't things that are sold at Target or Walmart or mass produced. So you have these fun, unique pieces in your home.
The hunt is definitely a big part of the fun when collecting. You should see the way her eyes light up when she hunts.
I love it.
Also, another really great kind of chain store that you wouldn't really expect is Hot Topic and Box Lunch. Well, excuse me. While I know a lot of those stores are based in clothing, you'll surprise yourself and find some really great hidden gems. Box Lunch is actually really great for getting Disney appliances when you don't want to go to the Disney store. You can get everything from a waffle maker, a popcorn maker, a toaster, which I personally have. And it's really great because you tie those into your home. You can have bath essentials, bath sets, guest bedrooms, all those kinds of things. Wall art even is another really great one. And with those stores, they of course always have sales. So you have like a buy one, get one 50% off, buy one, get one 25%. So you never really have to pay full price for those, which is also really nice.
So the last one I want to talk about, it's not mainly considered, I guess, Disney on a dime, because sometimes it isn't the cheapest option, but it's a great way to find pieces if you're willing to spend your money. We want to first talk about Shop Disney, the app, and in the same way talk about shopping at Disney parks. We can happily say that a lot of the merchandise that Disney produces that's specifically made for your home are amazing quality. So if you're willing to spend a little extra, we do recommend it. There's a lot of things that are sold in Disney parks that are targeted to kids that are cheap and really not worth your money, but Disney's trying really hard to access the adult audience, and that means they're making beautiful products for your home, and they're truly worth the price because you totally get what you pay for. If you decide to buy a piece of canvas art, which can be anywhere from $25 to $300, it will always stand as a reminder of that beautiful trip, and it's great to look at, but you don't have to spend, $300 on a piece of art. Like I said, they start at $25. You pay that usually when you go to Hobby Lobby anyways, right? Or a major chain when you buy a piece of wall art, okay? Now, they also make things that I think are great for your kitchen. You're going to have measuring cups, which are ceramic and beautiful, and they're dishwasher safe, which makes my life a lot easier.
Makes everybody's life easier.
Exactly. I mean, hand washing dishes is not an option anymore. And the other place we want to talk about, because it's not usually free, sometimes it does require an entrance fee, is going to be your local Comic-Cons. Mm-hmm. Now, your local Comic-Cons are going to have vendors who are collectors, so they've been spending usually years on the hunt for Disney pieces and Disney memorabilia. Now, you have to remember, they're vendors. They know what these pieces are valued at. A lot of them are willing to bargain, so that can always work in your favor if you're willing to go through that process. But you're still going to find unique pieces that are hard to find that you didn't have to hunt for. So it makes your life a little easier in that sense. But also, a lot of local Comic-Cons tend to have local artists, and each of these artists have a booth. You can look through their portfolios, see what they do and if you like it, and get a quote. Say you want to do a Disney piece, but you have a budget in mind. You can ask for a quote of that piece and the size and everything, and then say you really like their work, you decide to go through with it, you get it at a really great price. You're supporting a local artist, which is amazing because a lot of these kids, I'm going to be honest, they're young, they're fresh out of college, so you're supporting them in their dreams, but you now have a custom piece of artwork that's beautiful to you and to your story, and it's something to display in your home that's unique to your home. But we hope this video is helpful to you guys and you're willing to venture out there and have fun shopping for Disney, because I think shopping's really fun, if I'm being honest. But thank you so much for watching. If you aren't already, please follow us on Instagram. It's going to be managing_magic.
And if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel here. Do not forget to like and comment as well. Let us know what you guys think about these shops, what you guys want to see, if you have shops in your hometown that you think would really benefit from these tips as well. And as always, guys, please go ahead and click that notification bell down below. That way you get notified when we upload. That way you can be here with us to see these tips firsthand. Other than that, guys, I think that brings us to the end here. So thank you so much for the support, and we'll see you guys soon.
Bye!